Okay.
Yeah?
We can do that.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And today we have a really exciting video that I think almost everyone can benefit from.
And that is help with styling our shelves. The problem with shelves is that they're usually tall, they're up on the wall, they draw our eye upwards, and we look at them and they're beautiful, but we usually just kind of use them as a functional thing and not so much as like a styling point. Honestly, up until now, we've kind of left this to chance. We've just looked at a shelf, thought it looked good, maybe it's okay. I've struggled with this in the past. When I did my guest bedroom makeover at my parents' house, I just like didn't do a close-up on the shelves because I got so frustrated and I didn't know what to do and it wasn't looking just right, but I was like, I gotta finish this. I'm just gonna move on and not show everybody what it looks like.
So we've taken all our knowledge of styling shelves over the years and put them together in some tips that are easy to follow. We have a list of rules that everyone can do that's pretty much guaranteed to get your shelves looking good.
So in this episode, we're gonna show you how to style your shelves, whether you have like a single little shelf or a giant built-in.
So you guys might remember Adelaine, who we love so much. We've done a couple style selected episodes with her, and we actually helped style her shelving for Christmas season a couple months ago. So she actually reached out to us again, sent us a text saying, hey girls, I need help turning these Christmas shelves into summer shelves. So Adelaine, don't worry, we got you.
So knowing that Adelaine already had a lot of great pieces that already worked for her shelves, we hit the thrift store to find some replacements for the items that were a little bit too wintry or Christmassy. Okay, so we're in the car with Adelaine. We're on our way to the thrift store, which is the first place we like to go. It's the most affordable. You can find really unique things there, and then you're not spending like
$1 million on shelves.
But like seriously, if you buy like one little thing and each little thing is only like $10, $8 for like a little plant, a little this, a little that, that adds
It
up.
adds up.
It's always a really good idea to figure out what color scheme you want to go with first to help give your shopping some direction.
I like gold, white, maybe greenery, and then maybe a little splash of yellow.
Okay,
Yeah?
we can do that.
This is such a huge thrift store. Got to last cart, important.
Oh my gosh.
A tip for when you're shopping, if you have no idea where to start, try picking up a variety of items. Look for books, baskets, bowls, and botanicals.
We're hunting for white books. This one, it looks like it's not white, but it is. And then we don't have to paint them.
Here's a tip, don't overlook things at the thrift store that maybe are dirty or the wrong color because almost everything can be cleaned and almost everything can be painted.
They could be spray painted gold. Are they your style or are they
I love that.
too traditional?
No, I
you
love
like
that.
them?
Yeah.
Okay.
$4? Oh.
Or $149. I don't know.
I especially love this. I feel like this is my favorite thing that we found.
It's cool.
Ta-da!
Love that.
She's $6.99. She's a little scary, but we'll wash her.
So here's a tip, we like to lay out everything that we pick to see how it looks together and sort through anything that we may or may not need anymore.
And next we're going to head to the home decor store to pick up any extras that we couldn't end up thrifting.
Just getting inspo for DIYs I can do with all these straws that end up in landfills. Straw me your art.
Just wanted to share a hot tip with you because we just came out of the actual home decor store and the total there was like $130.
$115.
And the total there, fire me. And the total at the real home decor store was like $117 and our total at the thrift store was like $130. But we got almost double the amount of
Double
items.
the items.
Really, it's like so much better value to go to the thrift store.
Yeah.
And then we went to the craft store, which is our favorite place to get good faux plants.
It's important to know your fake flowers too for shelf styling. Like this looks like a bunch of real chopped flowers, which goes in a vase. Or there's this, which is more of a droopy variety, which is useful for laying on the edge of a shelf so they can hang down.
All right, now we're back at Adelaine's and it's time to lay everything out and sort everything out and pull out the things that need to be DIY.
Yeah, that's so good.
Ta-da! You got some books?
Got some books.
Covers are coming off of those and may be painted.
They might not need to be painted.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Like this one.
Beautiful.
Boom.
All right, so now we have all of our items ready to go. Let's get to the official Sorry Girls rules of styling a shelf.
All right, first up is color scheme. Your room probably has a color scheme already, so you might as well bring that into your shelving as well.
Try to use layering whenever you can. Think about layering from the front to the back of the shelf as well as from the left to the right of the shelf. And make sure to use medium-sized objects to bridge the gap between really big things and really small things.
A rule that we quickly discovered was to let your colors breathe. You don't have to have like every single color on every single shelf. You can have some shelves that are a little breath of fresh air from your entire color palette.
So our next rule is don't worry about spacing everything perfectly evenly. Things actually tend to look better when you put them into groups.
On your shelves, make sure that you're not afraid to get personal or show some of your hobbies. You can show cameras or stationery and pens, whatever you're into.
So here's a fun one we discovered. Groups of odd numbers tend to look a lot nicer, so maybe try that out.
All right, and remember that rule of having a variety of items. If you need help getting started, remember the 3 Bs: books, botanicals, and baskets.
And the very last rule is that you don't have to follow these rules. Styling shelves is all a matter of personal taste, so if you like how it's looking, go for it. And have fun.
All right, Adelaine's built-ins look amazing. I'm really happy with how this turned out, but I know not all of us have built-ins, including me. So this is how you can apply these rules to a solo shelf. All right, so first up, we're definitely gonna stick to a color scheme, which is more like blues, terracotta, plants and greenery, and of course, white. And some of these books aren't fitting the color scheme, so I'm just gonna flip them around, and now they look neutral and only show off the ones that are fitting the vibe.
So here we're playing with height and layering by placing this plant on top of a box, as well as layering from the front to back with this picture frame in the back.
Don't be afraid to gather your items. They don't have to be laid out perfectly. They kind of want to be friends too. So gather a couple of your items together. It's going to make things look a little bit more natural.
We're leaving our journaling supplies out because don't forget to show your hobbies.
Groups of odd numbers tend to look a little bit better. So here we added a third item.
And remember, if you're ever stuck, go with the 3 Bs: books, baskets, and botanicals.
See, it's easy as that, and now the shelf looks stylish and cute and effortless, but lots of effort. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Honestly, I did.
Yeah,
I totally did.
It's nice to see everything that we knew in our heads put down in an actual formula. I think this is going to help us going forward as well.
Definitely. And if you guys want to check out Adelaine, you definitely should. She did like a little vlog process, and just her videos are so bright and beautiful and yellow. I love them.
Send us your hashtag shelfies on Instagram using hashtag SorryGirls Squad, because we want to see how you style your shelves, because I'm always down to get more inspo. All right, thanks so much for watching this video, guys.
If you liked it, make sure that you give it a like.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to the end slate. Just wanted to give Bridget a massive shout out for rocking our Nervous Laugh tee. It looks so unbelievably good on you. Check the link in the description to find out where you can get your own Nervous Laugh tee.